Okay, guys, so we're over at the Mech-Mind stand today. And we're actually in the queue at the moment, and the idea is these is a full setup system, so you can actually order something from the shop. The robot will go and pick it up from the shelf and like deliver it to you, which is great. It's great to see a full concept. So I'm here with the team today. Can you just give me just a little bit of an overview about the company?
他想要一个大概的介绍。
弊社は、メクマインドと申します。弊社は本社は中国となりまして、日本は独立法人になっております。弊社は、3D の、3D カメラ、3D ビジョンの開発、製造販売を行っている会社となります。
Mech-Mind is a company based in Beijing, startup from Beijing.
Great.
Now we have a local office in Tokyo.
Right, okay.
We are 3D camera maker.
Ah,
Also, most of the 3D camera and some vision software and the video software, which is to control the robots.
right.
This is our product.
So you predominantly do the 3D cameras,
Yeah.
but then you've also got the humanoids as well.
It's not our product.
Ah, so it's your technology that's in the humanoids.
Yeah.
Right, I'm with you. Okay, okay. Right, so that makes sense. So the 3D cameras is what's doing the tracking for the actual product.
That's exactly.
Right, I see, I see. Okay, okay. What I'll do then, let me ask a few more questions. So I don't I know more about robots than I do about 3D cameras. I suppose a little bit more about the company, like how old is the company, and how many people work for the company?
We started up from 2016.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are almost 10 years old next year.
Yeah.
And we have over 600 staff all over the world. And we have 40 staffs located in Tokyo, Japan.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. And this is all the 3D cameras.
Yes, all 3D cameras. But the next year we have some new product about 2D camera.
Okay.
Okay. That's
Have you got, so I've seen with the camera technology, so you have LiDAR and laser, but I've seen the camera technology is getting so good that you can take out the LiDARs and lasers. Is that the sort of tech?
about the technical details. Sorry, I'm not know so much about that.
Fine.
But we are the number one share market in the world.
Right, okay, the growth there. Okay, no, I think what I'll do, I'll get some separate videos, and then I'll put some videos sort of over explaining to you guys like a bit more.
Okay.
That's fine for that one, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
very
very much. Cool. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Cool. So the basics of it is these guys, Mech-Mind, don't make the robots, but they make the camera systems that run the robots. Is what they were explaining. So the question is, who makes the robots? Look. A little bit closer. Okay. Let me just get my bag. Okay.